Frustrated with inconsistent heat and unreliable results ruining your electronics projects? I've spent the last month rigorously testing numerous models to find the 5 best soldering stations that genuinely deliver consistent performance for 2025. We focused intensely on heat up speed, temperature stability, and overall build quality to identify the top contenders. These are the best value soldering stations available right now, particularly if you're shopping on Amazon. Each one has unique strengths perfect for different users, so make sure to watch the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Here we go. Number 5. The Yihua 926. 3 soldering station really hits a sweet spot, especially for hobbyists. If you do occasional electronics work or DIY projects, this one deserves a look. It heats up quickly, which means less waiting around. You can get working almost right away. Temperature control is handled by a PID system. That basically means it works constantly to keep the tip temperature stable. This makes getting consistent solder joints much easier. You get a wide temperature range to work with. It goes from 194 all the way up to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. Setting it is simple with a control knob and clear digital display. You can switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit readings too. The station itself is compact, saving valuable desk space. It has a built-in holder for the soldering iron. There's even clever storage for extra tips right on the unit. A handy sleep mode feature puts the iron to sleep after a set time. You can choose 5, 10, or 30 minutes. This helps prevent tip oxidation and saves a bit of power. What really stands out is the included kit. You don't just get the station. It comes with useful extras like helping hands, 6 different soldering tips, a solder sucker for desoldering, and even some solder wire to start. It's quite comprehensive. Poros delivers excellent performance for its category, heats quickly, and maintains stable temperature. Comes packed with genuinely useful accessories. Cons: the included solder wire isn't top tier. Plan on getting better quality solder separately. Ultimately, the big advantage is the overall value. You get a feature-rich station that performs reliably for many common tasks. It's a solid choice if you're upgrading from a basic plug-in iron, or if you just need a dependable station for your workbench projects. You can find out more and buy directly from Amazon using the link in the description. Number 4. Next up is the WEP 92274 soldering station. This one really tries to be an all-in-one solution. It integrates several useful tools into a single compact unit. If your workbench space is limited, this design is quite practical. It features a 110-watt heating element. This means the iron gets up to temperature quickly. You spend less time waiting around. Temperature control is precise, ranging from 90 to 480 degrees Celsius. You see both the set and actual temperature on the dual display. That's helpful for monitoring consistency. There are some thoughtful user functions here. 3 preset channels let you save your most used temperatures. Recalling them is just a button press away. It also includes an adjustable sleep mode. This lowers the temperature when idle, helping the tip last longer. What sets it apart is the integrated accessory set. You get built-in helping hands to hold components. There's a magnifying glass with LED lights for detail work. It even includes a solder wire dispenser and tip storage slots. The main station has a solid metal construction. It feels quite sturdy compared to some lighter plastic units. Really sturdy. Pros: integrates many essential tools effectively, heats rapidly for efficient soldering sessions, offers precise digital temperature control. Cons: the included solder wire isn't the best quality. You'll likely want your own. The main benefit here is getting a very complete setup in one package. It makes starting electronics projects or doing repairs feel less cluttered. Really, if you need a capable station that organizes your key tools neatly, this is worth a look. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Check it out. Number 3. Okay, let's look at the Yihua 939D Plus soldering station. This one feels built for regular, steady work, even demanding tasks. It has a solid construction that really inspires confidence on the bench. The 75 watts of power mean it heats up quite fast. You won't be waiting long to start soldering delicate components. Temperature control is notably consistent here. It uses an intelligent program monitoring heat every 20 milliseconds. This keeps the tip temperature remarkably stable. That stability helps you achieve reliable solder joints every time. The temperature range covers 392 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. Setting your desired heat is straightforward using the simple knob. The digital display is clear and easy to read. You can switch it between Fahrenheit and Celsius with just a button press. Unlike some stations with integrated holders, this uses a separate heavy metal alloy stand. It feels quite secure and doesn't tip easily. The station itself uses contact-safe voltage for added safety. It also comes as a pretty complete package right out of the box. You get several different soldering tips to handle various jobs. There's a metal sponge cleaner in its own tin. They even include a spool of lead-free solder and some handy tweezers. It feels like a well-thought-out kit, useful for beginners and experienced folks alike. The brushed aluminum control panel also helps prevent accidental burns. Really. Pros: delivers very stable and accurate temperature control, includes a genuinely useful set of starter accessories, features a robust build quality suitable for frequent use. Cons. You'll need separate tools, like a braid or sucker, for desoldering work. The included lead-free solder can be slightly trickier for absolute beginners. The main advantage here is the reliable, precisely controlled performance. It just works consistently, without much fuss, project after project. This makes it a really solid choice for detailed electronics work or frequent hobbyist use. If you need dependable, stable heat or authority up for your projects, it's definitely worth considering. You can find out more and buy directly from Amazon using the link in the description. Number 2. The WAP8786DIISE combines two essential tools into one unit. You get both a soldering iron and a hot air rework station. This is really handy for tackling a wider range of electronics projects. It saves space on your workbench too. Each tool has its own digital temperature display, shown in Fahrenheit. You can control them independently with separate power switches. Adjusting the hot air volume is straightforward. Temperature control for both iron and hot air is quite precise. The soldering iron ranges from 392 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. The hot air goes from 212 up to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. Amazing! It uses PID technology to keep the heat stable while you work. That really helps with consistent results, especially on delicate components. There are some thoughtful safety features built in. The iron goes into a sleep mode after 10 minutes idle. The hot air gun cools down when placed in its holder. This helps protect the heating elements and adds peace of mind. It also comes with a decent set of starter accessories. You get solder, a desoldering pump, tweezers, and various tips and nozzles. The main benefit here is versatility, without needing two separate machines. It's a practical setup if you do surface mount work or need desoldering capabilities alongside standard soldering. If you need that dual functionality, this station is worth a closer look. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 1. The Yishua 8786D offers both soldering and hot air rework capabilities. It essentially packs two essential tools into a single station. This approach definitely saves valuable space on your workbench. You get independent controls for the soldering iron and the hot air gun. Each function has its own clear digital display for temperature. Setting your desired heat is pretty straightforward. It uses PID technology for temperature control. This system works constantly to keep the heat steady while you work. Both the iron and the gun heat up reasonably fast. You won't be waiting too long before you can get started on your project. Safety seems well considered here. It features an anti-static design important for sensitive components. The hot air gun has a fail-safe protection if airflow stops unexpectedly. It also cools down automatically when placed back in its cradle. The soldering iron includes a sleep mode too. This helps preserve the tip life over time, which is a nice touch. It comes bundled with several different tips and nozzles. This adds to its versatility right out of the box. Like the WEP model we looked at, this Yihua integrates both functions effectively. However, this one feels particularly well suited for hobbyists and common repair tasks. The build feels decent for its category. Pros: combines soldering and hot air in one compact unit, delivers stable and generally accurate temperature control, includes useful safety and convenience features like sleep mode. Cons: the main power switch is located on the back, which can feel a bit awkward to reach. The main benefit here is getting that dual capability without buying two separate machines. It's really practical if you find yourself doing surface mount work or need hot air for desoldering tasks alongside regular soldering. If you need both tools but prefer the simplicity of just one station, this Yihua is certainly worth a serious look. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. Which one would you choose? You can see updated prices and buy the products on Amazon from the link in the description.